Hi everyone, if you're a student or researcher, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Today I will show you how the AI lab features in Google Scholar can simplify your research workflow. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this video I am going to show you some Google Scholar new features. For example, I will compare this Google Scholar lab feature with Google Scholar previous one. I will search in a Google Scholar and then click on the first option. Now this is the interface of Google Scholar where you can write the title of article, and also you can paste here DOI or the reference that you can copy from different platform like NCBI, and also you can copy from PubMed. So then you can paste here and proceed with that article. So now, for example, I will write here just a simple title: best method on banking sector in Italy. So now you can see these are the articles that I got by a simple search, and also there is option of citation from where you can copy the reference, and also related articles I can choose from here, and I can download from here like in PDF. On the left side you can see there is a time period that you can choose. For example, if you want to download just last 5 years articles, so you can choose years, specific year from here, and then you can proceed. So you will be able to download or select those articles which will be in your time range. But when it comes to Scholar Lab new feature, I will show you this is really quite a difference from the previous one. So when I search Google Scholar, there is option Scholar Lab. So I will click here. After clicking here, now you can see there is a chatbot where you can write the title of article, and also you can paste the reference. And I will click here, so you can see there is option of profile, and also if I click on settings, so there is some options like how many results you want. For example, I want 10 articles, 20 articles, I can choose it from here. Beside that, I also have option that a new browser window I want to open this article or not, and I still have option of some more references like I can proceed with EndNote. So here now you can see there is a chatbot where I can write the article reference and also the title, and then for example I am writing here, and now I will proceed with this title, with this prompt. Your prompt basically that will be the title or the reference of your article. So I will submit, and now it will take a while. So now you can see they are just giving me the articles that is quite similar or closely related to the title. Now look, these are available articles which are matching my prompt. Beside all these, you can simply write a complete prompt that you can, like you are pasting in Gemini, Google Perplexity, and also in ChatGPT. So you can simply write a prompt here just like that, those AI tools, and then you can submit here. So you will be able to get those articles which will be closely related to your prompt. So now you have options here like related articles, how many articles you got, and also import your references or this article to a EndNote library that you have. And there is options of download as well. And look, there is still a response and pending for more better results. And when you can see at the bottom, there is again option of chatbot where you can do some more conversation with the AI. So you can make your this response more precise, and also according to your requirement you can chat here, and then you will be able to give a proper shape to your search, and then you will be able to choose those articles which will be quite similar to your requirements. So for example, I am saying that filter out those papers public in 2023. So now you can see these are the articles that are published in 2023 or after 2023. So just like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Gemini, you can also write a prompt here and you can do a kind of conversation here. So basically this is the advanced shape of Google Scholar, and you will be able to save your time. And past we were searching for the articles here and we were getting some random articles, but now you have option to get a very precise response from Google Scholar in a shape of Scholar Lab. So this is a very amazing feature when it comes to get a good response in a very short time. So that's all from my side. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Have a good day.